I really love this ruffle pattern. As you can see the line in the center, it's a perfect headband collection for your hair accessories. Hey everyone, hey crafters, welcome to Anjelisa's crafting room. My name is Risa, but if you have any question, if you have any suggestion, you can call me Risa. I really love crafting and currently I'm into hair accessories. If you love making hair accessories like headbands, turbans, hair bows, you may want to check out my previous videos in this channel. In this video, I have a new pattern for our ruffle hairband. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First thing first, I will show you the hairband that I use. I am using the hairband. The size is about 1 centimeter, or we can say, is it 3/8 inch? It's no more than half an inch. Next, we are going to prepare the fabric. I am using cotton fabric, and you can literally use any fabric for this. You can use cotton fabric, or even satin fabric. I really like this satin texture. It's just so puffy. Oops, my fabric falls down. Let me take this. Got it. So, with my headband size, I am using 40 by 4 inch of fabric. But if you are using wider headband, or you want to make the final result wider, you may use wider fabric. With the fabric like this, I will fold it in half, and then I will take my hairband, put it here, so I will sew a straight line all along the fabric. I want to insert the hairband inside for later. Let's take this to the sewing machine. After you sew all along the fabric, now you have to confirm that the hairband will fit smoothly inside. It will fit smoothly inside. Now I'm going to press the centerpiece here. Just press it flat down. Let's press it. After we press the fabric, let us prepare another fabric. The size is the exact same size of our fabric. So the length is about 100 centimeters or 40 inches, and the width really depends on the size of your fabric after you sew it and then you press it. Mine is about 2.5 inch. So this fabric should be 2.5 inch wide. Now I'm going to place the fabric together. Place the fabric together, and we are going to sew all along the fabric, the 2 lines here. If you have a loop turner like this, it will be easy to turn the fabric right side out after you sew both edges here. But if you don't have this loop turner, I will show you a quicker and faster way to turn the fabric right side out. Let's take this to the sewing machine. Now let us sew the second line. Only do this if you don't have a loop turner. I will sew about 4 or 6 inches. And then you can place your needle down and then lift up the presser foot, and you can grab the other end of the fabric. Just from here, you are going to turn the fabric right side out quicker, faster. Take this. Okay, now you can see that this is the right side of our fabric. So use these 2 fingers to hold it, and then I will continue sewing. I will grab it using my 2 fingers, and I will continue sewing. Now you can see we can just pull this out It's very easy to turn a long strip of fabric right side out. After this, I will press the fabric flat down. Just place the gap here, the little piece here, right in the middle. So this will be the outside of our hairband. Let's press it flat down. Now I will prepare my fabric clip. I will insert the hairband inside. Insert the hairband inside the little fabric that we made at the beginning. And this will be the front side of our hairband. So I will insert it this way. I will use my fabric clip to hold the fabric here. Now let us push the fabric so the headband will be inside this long strip of fabric. And you can start to see the pattern. I really like a ruffle pattern. It's very beautiful. Now let us finish the edge here. I will only show you once. Now what we have to do is prepare a needle and thread. Let's take my needle and thread here. Now we wrap around the edge of the hairband. If you want to use a fabric glue, it's fine. You can add a little glue right here. And then we wrap around the hairband and sew it and wrap it tightly. And secure the thread. Now cut off the thread, and then I will take my ribbon. This is, I think this is called grosgrain ribbon. For this type of hairband, I think I will use about 1.5 inch. I'm going to knit 2 pieces. I will cut 2 pieces. After I cut the ribbon, I want to seal the end of the ribbon so that it won't fade. It will be nice. I'm afraid that the fire will go through my camera. It's so long. The fire is so long. Now let me take my hot glue gun. Now I will add a dab of glue and wrap it around the edge, the ends of the hairband. Now as you can see, I will repeat this to the other end. Now our hairband is finished. If you want to embellish this with beads, pearls or rhinestones like I did here, you can sew a long strip of pearls and then use some hot glue gun to attach the pearls. But I will just leave it like this. It's simple and clean. Our beautiful ruffle headband is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a like and share this video. If you don't, just hit the dislike button and tell me below about what you don't like, or if you have any suggestion, you can also write in the comment below. See you in my next video. Bye bye!